motherfucking sound. So crazy. Where you go? Where you go?
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Davo coming to y'all with another YouTube video, man. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and that like button. It supports me. I don't need no money. I don't need no cash app. Nothing, man. Just hit that like button and that subscribe button and just stick with me on my journey. And as you can see by the title, I'm about to replace my Hellcat badge with a LED RGB badge. I'm gonna put the link in the description. This joint finna be so crazy. So stick to the end of the video to see how it is. And I'm already knowing it's finna be crazy. I'm gonna get rid of this emblem, but I'm still keep it. I might sell it, but I might just keep it for when, I don't know, I might need it in the future. But yeah, I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna put this one on. Like, I could've really did it, but I ain't finna play with wiring. Y'all know me, man. I be YouTubing stuff crazy and trying to figure out how to put stuff on, but I ain't finna mess with no wiring. I'd rather pay people that could do it for me. I didn't even show you guys what came in the kit. Just give y'all a quick little show because he just told me that the electric guy's running a little late, so I'm gonna just have to leave it. Everything is labeled. It's a freaking amazing kit, I ain't gonna lie. And most likely the next clip will be me coming back to see how it looks. And I can't forget to shout out Action Jax. He did my tent, he did my lights on the side, these joints. He put this on for me from Amazon. He do everything for me. Tent's looking amazing. I should have low-key went darker on the front, but I might go darker in the future, but I don't know if I want to really mess with it. Just might keep it. So yeah, shout out to Action Jax LLC. If you need anything, give him a call. All right, y'all. Damn. All right, y'all. So we just got here, man. I can't wait to see it. I had a smile on my face all day.
Call the number and they'll give you a quote. You got the number?
What's up?
Give a call tomorrow.
Good.
They'll give you a quote. He pulled up. I don't know who that dude is.
Yeah, I don't know.
He's like, you riding? Nah, man. I'm not.
She.
Hold on, let me reset it for you.
All right, cool. Yeah, that thing was crazy. I couldn't wait till it turned nighttime. That bitch going so crazy. I see. Amazon crazy. Cash clean out. I don't gotta take out no fuse or nothing, man. That shit go turn off with the lights. That shit crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, bro. G-Wags. All type of shit out here.
You know what I'm saying? This nigga.
Definitely went in the basement.
Yeah, I ain't. You feel me? I wanted to make sure you was cool with that. Yeah, we would have did it when I was down there. Real. We gonna do it. We'll shoot another one tomorrow. What you talking about?
He's out here so crazy.
Nigga, fuck, I'm different for we are.
I need to put this motherfucker in the vlog.
But you know, yeah, towards just then we won't really.
It's so clean.
You know how that shit go. It be certain spots.
This joint so clean.
I'll tell you. You in this, bro? Yeah. Never.
Talking about never.
Never.
Damn.
This bitch got 4 house on the 2 on east side.
AMG. He said.
Right here.
Get over because my uncle did it.
Damn.
Niggas in the room, these niggas turn to critter. All these niggas.
My shorty going stupid. That's a copyright strike, so I just gotta talk over it. Big Volanos. What these is, Volanos or something? Nah. Oh yeah, RTs. Bro, I'm thinking those are the motherfucking Volanos. Yeah. Exact same. Yeah, them seats stupid. Exactly. I've never even seen one of these motherfuckers. You just pulled up stupid. With the lubes on. Just tweak with them.
Just stay out my way.
Hey, I ain't know it could do this. I'm playing crazy. Now y'all can't even see. Damn. That shit looks so stupid.
That motherfucker sounds so crazy. Where you go? Where you go?
Alright, I forgot to show y'all, but this will be a quick video, but I forgot to show y'all that my RGB light is hooked up to my regular lights. Look. It's hooked up to everything, so when my lights turn off, it turn off. I don't gotta pull out no fuses. I ain't gotta do all that, man.